Come on, let's go.
Stop. Are you videoing it?
No.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Oh. Whatever.
You know where you're going? Hey, this way. Brienne, this way. That's not... Are you... Shut up. Come on.
I swear to God, if you do it when I'm sober.
Uh-oh.
Whatever.
Now you're feeling all conscious now, huh?
No.
Yes, you are.
It's like, ew. Seriously.
What?
Go out.
No, we can't. Everything is closed now.
You're such a crap.
Creepy people are gonna follow us. Like, what just happened?
But they gave me a good picture. And you know what? If something happened, I could
Hey, this is yours.
I can identify them. Where? Where's my camera?
Oh my god, are you serious?
That's a little teaser. Stop it! You're just a bitch. I'm totally gonna record you when you're drunk. Can you believe I have my camera? Is it in here? Oh my god.